I love how bold and vibrant Celebrate is. This trend is inspired by South America and its vibrant street markets. It's all about feeling festive and bringing those aromas and energy into the home. Celebrate is all about mixing textures and materials to create a sensory overload. I've combined matte cabinetry with handmade gloss tiles, while also bringing in warmer tones through the timber island bench. To create contrast, I selected a stone-look benchtop for the rest of the kitchen. I personally love the way that the splashback tiles in the bar nook match the cabinetry, creating a zone where you can be consumed by the colourway. Don't be fooled by a colour like this. Even a white kitchen can have a pop of vibrancy and still feel neutral. You could try a two-tone palette with mostaza and white to help break up the space and give it a more timeless appeal.